If you can't fully bend your knee, simple tasks like sitting, kneeling, or squatting can turn into a daily fight. Rebuilding range isn't about forcing the joint, it's about progressive, controlled exposure to movement. Here are 6 standard physiotherapy exercises to safely regain knee flexion, moving from gentle mobility to functional loading. Check with your physio first if you had recent surgery, a fracture, or mechanical locking of the joint. Phase 1 is unloaded range of motion. There are 2 exercises in it. Supine heel slides. Lie on your back, slowly slide your heel toward your glutes until you feel light tension. Keep your heel in contact with the surface. At your comfortable end range, hold for 3 to 5 seconds, then slowly slide your heel back out. Perform 10 to 15 repetitions. As a progression, use your hands or towel and hold at the end range for 5 to 10 seconds. You can repeat this 10 to 15 times. Exercise 2 is wall slides. Lie flat with your legs extended up a wall. Let gravity gently pull your heel down into a comfortable bend. At your comfortable end range, hold for 5 to 10 seconds, then slide your foot back up. You can use your opposite foot for light support if needed. Perform 10 to 15 repetitions. Phase 2 is assisted joint mobilization. Again, there are 2 exercises in it. Standing chair flexion. Rest your bent knee on a chair or couch with a roll towel behind the knee. Gently lean your body forward into deeper flexion. At your comfortable end range, hold for 5 to 10 seconds, then ease back out. Stop before any sharp pain or pinching. Perform 10 to 15 repetitions. Next exercise in this phase is quadruped rock back. Start on all fours. Place a roll towel behind your target knee. Slowly shift your hips back toward your heels until you feel a comfortable compression. Hold this position for 3 to 5 seconds, then smoothly rock forward. Perform 10 to 15 repetitions. Next phase is closed-kinetic-chain loading. There are 2 exercises in it. The first one is supported flexion lunge. Place your foot on a low step or a stable surface. Slowly shift your weight forward and down over the knee. Keep your heel down and avoid twisting. At your comfortable end range, hold for 5 to 10 seconds, then return to the starting position. Perform 8 to 12 repetitions. The next one is assisted deep squat. Stand while holding onto a sturdy rail, door frame, or a TRX. Slowly lower into a squat, allowing your knees to bend as deeply as comfortable while keeping your heels down. Use your arms for support so you can explore more range without forcing the movement. At your comfortable depth, hold for 5 to 10 seconds, then slowly return to standing. Perform 6 to 10 repetitions. Choose 2 to 3 exercises from your current phase and perform them 1 to 2 times per day. Progress gradually by adding a few seconds to the hold or one more set, but only when the movement feels comfortable. A mild stretch or tolerable discomfort can be normal, but if you feel sharp pain, catching, or significant pinching, back off the movement. Work with your knee, not against it. Thanks for watching.